Alright, so we're going to get into how I made these rainbow Jello shots using these dessert cups I found on Amazon. Now, I got the pack of 100, but you can definitely get the pack of 50. But we're going to start off by boiling some hot water. I do mine on the stove, but you can definitely do yours in a microwave. And we're going to do a 50-50 ratio, 1 part water, 1 part alcohol, or cold water. So if you're using alcohol, I like to use alcohol that has been in the freezer. It works really, really well when making these layered Jello shots because the layers set faster. If you're using water, that's fine too. I would use water that's been sitting in the fridge for a while. So starting with these layers, just make sure that when you add your hot contents that you dissolve all of the Jello before adding your cold layer. But in order to start these layers, you're going to start off with the very last color of the rainbow, which is purple, and you're going to work yourself backwards. So you're going to do purple, blue, green, yellow, orange, red. So it's a really fun concept. If you're doing them as mocktails, which means that they don't have alcohol, it's a really amazing treat for kids. But if you are going to add alcohol, it's going to be the part where you add 50% liquor and 50% water. It's really good. It does set well when you use that ratio. If you use more alcohol than water, it's not going to set well, and the layers may actually dissolve into one another. So yeah, these are fun. These are cool. Let me know what you think and how you use this concept. Another really good tip I would like to add is to use a syringe when doing the layers. So that way each layer has the same exact amount of liquid that you're pouring into the layer, so that all your Jello shots look exactly the same. Nobody can say, oh, one Jello shot got more than the next. That's how I'm actually keeping a controlled environment, is by measuring out my layers with a syringe.